class was celebrating Christmas. The whole class has gathered to celebrate the occasion. The children themselves set up the Christmas tree. They decorated the tree with lovely decorations. They had even brought presents and hung them excitedly on the tree. The students had brought eatables from home. The teachers helped them lay them on the table. There were other things to eat as well, like sandwiches, pastries, and so on. They sang and danced around the Christmas tree. Finally, the feast started. The cake was finished within minutes. Suddenly, one of the students' plate fell and he could not eat the cake. He became disappointed. Then one student said, "Let's share our things." So everyone gave his share. The boy was very happy. The teachers appreciated the sharing spirit of the students. It was Christmas after all, a time of giving and sharing. The stork. Many animals and birds had come to see the baby Jesus in the stable. Some animals knelt humbly beside the infant. Among them was a long-legged stork with white feathers. He was moved by the sight of the baby Jesus lying in the straw with no pillow to rest his head. The bird had nothing to offer, but his true empathy for Jesus made him give the ultimate gift to him. He pulled feathers from his plumage and gave them to the baby to be used as a pillow. This was the best pillow that the baby could ask for. Infant Jesus smiled with overwhelming gratitude and blessed the stork with undying glory. Even today, storks are a symbol of birth and are considered indispensable to baby showers. If one spots a stork flying or on the roof of a house, it is considered lucky, as it is thought as the patron of babies. The beggar. Once, there was a church in a village. The father was a good soul. He gave good sermons. He told the people about the ways of reaching God. Anne visited the church quite often. She often spoke to the father for long hours. She discussed various religious matters. On Christmas Eve, Anne told the father, "I pray regularly to God. Also, I do a lot of charity. I show people the right path." One day, the father decided to test her. He asked the beggar to seek alms from Anne. So, the beggar asked Anne for some food. But she did not bother and entered the church. The beggar followed her and begged again. Anne got irritated and asked the beggar to leave her alone. She told him to get out of the church. Now, the father came out and said, "Anne, you can never reach God if you are cruel to others." Anne was ashamed of herself. wonderful gifts. Christmas was approaching. There was snow everywhere. The houses were filled with Christmas spirit and decorations. The air was filled with a rich aroma of Christmas eateries. A little boy anxiously waiting for his Christmas gift. Suddenly, there was a knock at the door. The boy excitedly ran to open the door. He was surprised to see a splendid horse carriage. A man, dressed in fur from head to toe, greeted the boy. The boy asked, "Are you Santa Claus?" "No, I am not Santa. I am January. And I have gifts for you." January pulled out several gifts from his bag. He handed them over to the boy. The boy was extremely happy. He thanked January happily.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.